So this is a UMP3 UltraMicroPump, and today I'm going to show you how to install a NanoFil syringe on the UMP3 pump. So this is a NanoFil syringe, and right here you can see this is the collar of the syringe, and back here is the plunger, and those are the 2 points we're going to use. When we depress this button here, this clamp opens up and allows the syringe to go inside, and then release it, it holds it fast. The collar of the syringe goes right here, and back here is where we put the cap on the plunger. So what I'm going to do is depress this and open the collar, and plug that in there, and that right there, and close the clamp. And then I can tighten this down right here to hold that real tight. And then the pump's ready to go. If you have any questions, just give us a call.